Writing Award. Amber Kian P. Santos will receive a Certificate of Completion, Bright Child Awardee, and will receive a Certificate of Recognition as Best in Oral Discussions. Siano Gov. N. Warner will receive a Certificate of Completion and a recipient of Best in